What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. I know it's been a minute. We're gonna be replacing the headlights on the Sierra. You see on these ones, check these headlights out, they suck. So got these headlights off Amazon. I think they're brand like DNR. They're like broken right out of the box. I kind of repaired them, but this is only like after a year. All the plastic sucks on them. So get what you pay for. They're cheap, so whatever. We're gonna end up switching these out. Show you guys how to do that. All right, so of course, pop the hood. Nice thing about these Sierra, way better than new ones, super easy. Change out the headlights. You got these pins right here. Just gonna flip these pins, both sides. So also if you need to change a headlight bulb in a Sierra, I think it's 99 to 06. This is how you do it. Headlight comes right out. And that way you can get your bulbs, change your bulbs out. So I'm actually gonna be replacing these bottom ones too. Got some new lights for the bottom. So get this thing apart real quick, get these two lights out. Once you pop this out, then you just go down onto the bottom and I'll show you how to get those out in a second. Alright guys, so I took the panel off across here. It's just a bunch of push pins, and then the grill comes off. You just pull back on the grill. And same thing on the corners. Just like that. Two more down at the bottom. Hold on one second. I'm gonna pull on this and then I'll show you guys. Just like that. And see that clip right there. Like that. So now this whole front piece comes off. Makes it super easy to get to all your lights. See, this light already came out, but it basically just has clips right there in the corners. So it's latched like that, clipped like that, but then you just push this clip in, pop the light out. So do that on both sides. Same thing with this, pull the pins. And see how crap these headlights are. All the clip stuff broke on them. They've been flopping around for a while. If you guys know any of a good brand of headlights that are for a 05, 06 Sierra, let me know in the comments. So I just got another set off of eBay. Had good reviews, so hopefully they'll hold up better than these ones. So let me get this the rest of the way apart. All right guys, so I got this side together. It just goes right back together like it came apart. Put the front side in first to the bottom marker, and then the back side clips in. Same thing up top, just put your pins back in, lock in your headlights, and then I'm going to show you guys, I got switchbacks for here. So I'll show you, got a wire and a resistor. It's the blue wire and the black wire, as you can see right there on the video. Just put a resistor in, so I have LED switchbacks. I'll show you guys how those work real quick. Alright, so that's with the lights on. And then let me show you when I turn turn signal on. And that's with the turn signal on. See, it switches back to orange, or amber. And then, so, it's pretty good. So again, there's with just the lights on. Turn signal on, you got to switch back. So check those out. We're gonna go ahead and throw this other top light in, throw the grill back on. I'll show you what it looks like with the grill installed with these new lights. These are some other cheap ones I found on CA Auto Parts. So one of them actually came in broken this side. So good times. If anybody knows any quality lights for these 05, 06 GMC Sierras, comment below. Let me know where you got them from, because looking for a good set, cheap cheap ones are okay, but sucks they're not made of quality, made in China. So, all right, let's get this top light in. I'll get the grill put on and then show you guys what it looks like. Should look a lot better. All right, so there you go. Got the new headlights installed. I just got to put the filler panel back on here, but look a lot better than those old headlights. So hopefully they'll last for a little bit longer. But later on tonight, when it gets darker out, we'll do an adjustment on them to adjust the headlights. You got one adjustment screw right here, and then you got another one, and the other adjustment screw is right in this hole right here. So that's going to give your adjustment. This is going to tilt it back and forth, and this one will probably push it left and right. So set right down there. It's one adjustment. Just need a Phillips. So line it up to a garage door and line them up. Tell this one's going to need some adjustment. It's going to need to go that way a little bit. You see right there. So this one's going to have to get adjusted out to push the headlight this way. So we'll adjust these up later on when it gets dark, but looks a lot better. Nice little upgrade to your GMC truck. Make it look a lot nicer with some new headlights, especially if you're down where I am in Florida. The sun just eats them up. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. My 05 Sierra build. So next thing we're going to be working on is the dash. So dash starting to crack, see up there. We're gonna be installing a dash skin in it, and then maybe changing the interior color as well to black versus the gray. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah guys, appreciate it. Hope this helps you out. Like I said, easy install, doing maybe an hour, probably less, but just take your time. Everything comes apart real easy, goes back together, minimal tools, and make the front end of your truck look a lot nicer. So see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.